Hi everyone, my name is Odan Cosmos, the founder of Website School and also Sir Cosmos World. Today I'll be showing you how to link up pages on your WordPress website. And after watching this video to the end, you'll be able to link up any page on any website easily. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel and also like this video so as to get notification when I post a new video. Let's get started. Now let's log into our website, websiteschool.xyz, and this is our home page. To be able to link up pages, all you need to do is to log into your back end and create the page you'd want. Maybe you want to link it to your home page. First of all, create that pages and you go that you can do that under the page section. Click on add new and edit with Elementor. So basically, this is how you can be able to create a page. But I want us to link our contact us page to our home page so that visitors can access us, can contact us right from our home page, and also this will lead them to the contact us page. So after logging into your pages, and now let's go to home because that is where we would like to edit or link up with our contact us page. Now let's go to our website. Now click on contact us. So basically, this is the page we would like to link to our home page. So let's log into our back end. Now we are in the home section and let's click on edit with Elementor. We all know that an Elementor is a page builder. An Elementor is a page builder. This helps you to build your page sufficiently. Now let's log into contact and see. Now we've finally opened. It's still loading. Wait for it to load. Now our page is set. It has loaded. It's now left for us to be able to edit it. Now let's say for instance this is the section I would like to name as my contact us. Edit this and you can type in what you want to name or the name you like of the page you like to link contact us. So basically our visitors can see us from here. You can also come here and edit this section and write something very brief. You can say you can or if you would like to contact us, click on read more. So basically this is information you want your visitors to see on your home page. Now let's click on this. Now we are in the read more section. So basically this is where we want our visitors to click so that it will take them to the contact us section. Now let's visit it. We are in the page we want. All you need to do is to copy this link and then go down to the page where you want it to and paste it on the link section. You can also edit this. You can write click here, but we've already from our text we've already written read more. So basically we would like to ensure that our informations are well coordinated and they tallied together. So after pasting this link, all you need to do is to update this. And now after updating, this goes like, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do that now as we wait for the result. We've updated it. Now let's visit our site. And now let's go back to our home page and see if our changes have taken place. Now let's scroll down to, as you can see, we have the contact us section. Now click on this and wait for it to load. Wow, finally we are in the contact us section, and this is looking beautiful, easily, without any stress. So basically, this is how you can be able to link up pages on your website. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel to get notification when I post a new video.